I'm delighted to say, with two more questions, is 8-year-old Khalid.
What's the most important lesson you've learned from racing that you think every young rider should know?
Respect your body.
The best lesson, I think, is difficult to say because depends on which category you are, but the best lesson is always to listen yourself and try to do your best.
For me, it's one that Taki said that year that they started in the championship, that was racing is simple if you take it simple.
The second question is what do you enjoy most about being a Motogp rider?
About being MotoGP rider. Of course, have some disadvantage sometimes, but most of the time are advantage. And for example, I enjoyed a lot that you can create a lot of emotions to the fans with your riding, with some small thing. You can create great emotions to the fans, and this is something super nice.
I think just the pleasure of riding the bike is amazing, and also to create the happiness when you make a great result into your family, your friends, the fans, and your team is something quite unique.
For me, it's the closer thing to be a kid again, you know? At the end, is the moment that you forget everything and you just focus in racing.
Great questions there from Youssef, Mohammed and Khalid. Thanks to all three of them from the Qatar Motorsport Academy. Mark, Fabio and Pedro, just one more task for you three, please, if you can stand for the official photograph. Can we get one of you guys as well with your prediction boards too, please? Thank you. And just very, very quickly, we'll invite Youssef, Mohammed and Khalid onto the stage to join Mark, Fabio and Pedro. And then we can go racing in 2024.
Come here. From there.
Okay, have a great weekend, all six of you. Thank you very much.